Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series. Okay, now we have to create a persistent volume with the name of this and capacity they just mentioned. Let's go here on the documentation. Pers better mention PV. Okay, here timer is running, 107 minutes is left. Okay, but luckily we got the same config YAML which we need to use it here. So here what we have it for host path volume.data, just paste it here. Read write once is the access mode as it mentioned in the questions. 2GI, there is no mention for the storage class, so we're gonna remove it. No storage class. We can label that particular PV, it's not an issue. Okay, and the name, okay, PV has been created. Now we have to create a PVC. Sorry, here itself we got it. vipvc.yaml. Storage is 2GI, what they mentioned in the question to request, and they just mention as the namespace, and there is no storage class mentioned because this PVC need to bound the same PB which we have created earlier. Let's copy and paste it here. Safari PVC. Okay, it's done. What's the mistake? Sorry. Okay, create -f pvc.yaml. Let's see the PVC is bound to that PV or not. Oops. Okay, it's mount. Now we need to create a deployment in the namespace which mounts that particular volume with this image. Okay, create deployment Safari -image. This is the image hyphen, and this is the namespace -dry -run is equal to client -o YAML is equal to q6.yaml. vi q6.yaml. Okay, namespace is correct. Containers. Now we need to add that volume mount. Let's add it. Volume mount, sorry, mounts, as there will be multiple volume mounts in the container, that's why it will be mount. Name, what's the name? Let it be anything. Test, I just mentioned here. Mount path would be this one where they wanted to mount that particular volume which we have just created. Name, that would be test. Persistent volume claim. Claim name, what's the name? Safari PVC Okay, key create -f q6.yaml key get bots -m project tiger. Okay, now it's running.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.